if you are tired of being on waitlist, BD or Outlier, this video is for you. Alright, so guys, I'm actually talking about another website that I actually found called Twine.net, and Twine.net is just like Fiverr and Upwork, but on Twine.net you can apply as a freelancer and get access to loads of jobs. So all you need to do is simply optimize your profile and you are good to go. So in this video I'm going to show you what to do to optimize your profile, and of course you need a CV. In my last video I taught you how to create a CV, so you can actually watch the video after you're done with this. And of course guys, if you need the CV template, you can comment CV in the comment section and I'll show you how to get access to it. So guys, let's get into the video. So now to actually get started, you want to come to this place where you see sign up to actually create an account. Now that you are here guys, you simply want to come to this place, account type. You want to make sure you are choosing looking for work and not hiring for a project right here. So you want to click on looking for this right here, looking for freelancer, and you want to enter your email. Alright, so guys, you're going to get verification code to your email. Right now you simply want to go to your email and get the verification code. Now I'll simply verify this. As you can see, I've created my account right now. The first thing you want to do is you want to upload your resume. So in my last video I actually taught you how to create your own resume yourself, and if you don't want to create it yourself, I have a template on my Telegram channel. If you want to type CV, all right, in the comment section if you actually need it, all right, and I will simply send it to you. And now guys, you simply want to fill out this with your details, your username, your country. So you guys want to make sure you are choosing your own country. So right now I'm in Nigeria. I'll simply choose Nigeria. All right, I'll simply go for Nigeria right here. I'm in Ekpoma right now. So the freelance roles right now, you simply want to choose it, the freelance roles, your roles right there. So AI engineer. So guys, anything you're interested in, you simply want to choose it right here. So now digital marketer, digital so you can just choose it, data scientist, data analyst, and so on. And now for the bio, you simply want to go to ChatGPT or Gemini or any AI you make use of, and simply ask ChatGPT or Gemini or any AI you make use of to help you come up with a good bio. All right, so you want to come to this place and you want to click on portfolio. All right, so this is very important. You want to click on portfolio. I'll show you how you can fill out all these details. So you want to come to this pencil icon right there and edit it. So now you want to make sure you fill all this, all right, your country, your city, your bio, like I said earlier on, and you want to enter your rate right here, your rates, your standard rates. You want to enter it right there. So anything you are interested in, you simply want to enter it right here, your standard rates, your own rates, you want to enter it right here. After that you want to click on save. So make sure you actually fill out all this. If you don't know how to write this bio, you can simply go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you the correct bio right there. So now you want to click on save. All right, so now after you're done with that, you want to move to the next thing right here, your language. So you want to make sure you add all the languages you speak, and after that you want to go to your work experience. So this work experience, you want to add work experience. If you don't have an office job, make sure you don't leave this place blank. All right, so you can just come here, like now the e.g. software engineer. You can write maybe independent AI freelancer or data evaluator, and the company maybe Outlier, Remotasks, Micro One, and so on. The start date, the end date, the description, you want to enter it right here and click on save. All right, so now when you're done with that, your education, your qualifications, your industry experience, your testimonial, the diversity and inclusion. All right, so you want to make sure you feed that, your skills right here. Make sure you actually go enter the right skills right here, your experience level, you want to enter it, and your portfolio project. This is where many people quit. Now you want to click on this new project right here. All right, you want to click on this new project, and now the next thing you want to do is simply come here right here. You want to enter the title of your project. All right, you want to enter the title of your project, and now you also want to write the description of the project and the role. All right, what's the role? all right, maybe AI engineer or AI or whatever, AI prompt engineer, AI strategy, so you want to enter it right here. After that, you want to create the project, but you want to give it a name right here. Let me say AI prompt. All right, now after you are done filling all this, you want to create your own project. You want to create project. So now it is when you are done creating this project that you can simply apply to jobs on this platform. So now guys, as you can see, these are the in-demand roles: animators, videographers, graphic designers, page deck designers, and so on. So there's lots of opportunities for you right now. Now when you are done with this project, as you can see right here, you can then click on find jobs. All right, you can then click on find jobs. As you can see, this is what we have right here. This is what we have. This is what we have. All right, this is what we have: video production, freelance, and potential, so and so on. But guys, you want to make sure you fill out all your details on this platform. You want to make sure you are done with your bio, location, freelance, roles, specific skills, industry sectors, work experience before you apply to any job. All right, so that you can actually get the job. All right, so that is very important. Before you apply to any job, you want to make sure you fill out everything, and you can simply make use of ChatGPT to fill out all the details. All right, and guys, if you want access to jobs immediately, you can upgrade. You can click on upgrade your plan right here, upgrade to pro. So if you want access to jobs immediately, but I will advise you to just start with the starter plan right here, which is free. So when you have made money from this platform, you can then get access to this. As you can see right here, you can apply to 50 jobs per month. All right, and you get more visibility to clients, job alert, portfolio, no transaction fees, pro badge, and so on. All right, so you can get access to more jobs using this pro and premium. And also with this free plan, you can also get access to jobs. All right, make sure you optimize your profile. All right? So you just want to make sure you optimize your profile before you start applying to jobs. So now to withdraw your money, you want to come here right here. You can see earnings right here. You can see earnings. So you can simply come to earnings, and from there you can simply withdraw your money from this platform. As you can see right here, this page is for incoming payment and slash earnings only. So guys, you want to read through, you can simply withdraw your money. All right, from this platform, this is where you can actually withdraw your funds from this platform, but make sure you complete all these steps, all right, to improve your profile. Then after that, you can then apply to jobs when by setting up your project. So that is it. You just need to set up your profile properly, and you are simply good to go. So guys, if you actually got value from this video, please subscribe, and if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe, and like this video, share with your friend out there. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.